Nigerian billionaire investor signs to build CNG car manufacturing plant in Bayelsa State, Nigeria. Nigeria is accelerating its transition towards cleaner and more affordable transportation with a decisive push for compressed natural gas adoption. As part of this national effort, Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing, the country's leading indigenous automaker, has announced plans to establish a CNG vehicle assembly plant in Bayelsa State. The new facility will produce CNG-powered buses, vans, and utility vehicles aimed at reducing fuel costs, promoting environmental sustainability, and creating new industrial opportunities within the Niger Delta region. This development comes at a time when the federal government, through the Presidential CNG Initiative, is championing the use of natural gas as a cheaper and cleaner alternative to petrol, supported by new investment from both public and private sector. Nigeria is positioning itself to becoming a continental leader in green mobility and energy innovation. The country's biggest car manufacturer, Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Limited, has announced plans to build a new compressed natural gas vehicle assembly plant in Bayelsa State, South Nigeria. The announcement for the construction of the CNG car plant was made by the CEO, Chief Innocent Chukwuma, during a visit to the governor of Bayelsa State. The new plant is a major investment that fits perfectly into Nigeria's growing campaign to move away from petrol and diesel-powered vehicles to natural gas-powered alternatives. In recent years, Nigeria has been making serious effort to reduce its dependence on petrol. The removal of fuel subsidies, the high cost of petrol, and the urgent need to protect the environment have pushed the government and private companies to find better alternatives. Compressed natural gas has now become one of the best options because it is cheaper, cleaner, and more abundant in Nigeria. The CEO, Innocent Motors, explained that the Bayelsa plant will focus on assembling different types of CNG-powered vehicles such as buses, ambulances, and utility vans. The goal is not just to build vehicles but also to create a new industrial ecosystem where Nigerians can gain technical skills and employment in the clean energy sector. This investment will strengthen Bayelsa's industrial base and create thousands of direct and indirect jobs in assembly, maintenance, logistics, and local manufacturing. The CEO added that the project will support Nigeria's dream of reducing carbon emission and achieving it by 2030 renewable energy targets. According to IVM's corporate communications manager, the plant will create at least 1,000 direct jobs and many more indirect ones through supporting businesses. He also said that the use of CNG vehicles will help Nigerians save money, as the cost of refueling and maintaining these vehicles is much lower than the petrol-powered ones. He also explained further that CNG burns more cleanly, which means it produces less smoke and fewer harmful gases. This will improve air quality and reduce pollution in Nigerian cities. It will in turn make Bayelsa a clean energy and technology pioneer in Nigeria. The governor of Bayelsa State welcomed the project warmly and described it as a blessing to Bayelsa's economy.